Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make a permanent eye in your 3-strand line, with an eye splice. I attached a piece of yellow line to the end with a short splice. I hope this contrast of color will make it easier to see when we start to tuck our strands. Mark your line with tape at a point that gives you sufficient length to tuck 3 to 5 strands. Before unlaying the strands, tape the ends to keep the ends from fraying. The preferred amount of tucks for newer ropes is 5. It will all depend on the use of the eye. If it is purely decorative you can do less, if it's for a heavy strain I would recommend at least 5. Now for the tucks. First, separate your strands and place over the line. Split open the first strand on top where the tucks will go through. Push the center strand under and pull through. This will be referred to as over and under later on. Next, rotate your line slightly. The second strand will get tucked under, and through the section that the first tucked strand came out of. To start the tuck of the third strand, rotate your line towards the original position. You will need to tuck it so that it comes out at where the first strand started its tuck. Pull all the strands once more to make sure the slack is out. From here you will start to tuck over and under. It doesn't matter which strand you start with. Just make sure that all 3 strands are tucked one after the other. Never tuck the same strand by itself all the way through. When first starting out it may make it easier to mark the ends with different colors or numbers. This can help beginners keep track of strands that have been tucked. It's a good idea to stop every so often, then you can tell if all your strands are tucked evenly and correctly. When the tucks are complete, there are a few options you can do to the end of the strands. Leave the tape on, or burn the ends for a cleaner look. You can even put a whipping on the end to cover up the 3 strands. Up to you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.